Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove someone from Google Meet in 2026. First, open Google Meet in your web browser and start a new meeting or join an existing meeting. Once the meeting starts, open the People panel on the right side of the screen. Here you can see everyone who is currently in the meeting and anyone who is waiting to join. If a participant is waiting to be admitted, you can manage that request directly from this panel. Next to the participant's name, click the three-dot menu, also called More Options. A menu will appear with different participant management options. If the person is waiting to join, you can choose Deny Entry to prevent them from entering the meeting. If the participant is already in the meeting, you can choose Remove from the meeting. Google Meet may ask you to confirm the action. Click Remove to remove that participant from the meeting. The participant will immediately leave the meeting, and they will receive a notification that they were removed by the meeting host. This feature is very useful when you need to control who can join your meeting and manage participants during a meeting. Only the meeting host or someone with the required permissions can remove participants from a Google Meet meeting. That's it. This is how you can remove someone from Google Meet in 2026. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Meet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.